Good morning, guys. Apparently, got up late. Heading to work now. Working on January 2. How you guys going? Need to go to the train now.
Change here for Pakenham, Cranbourne, Frankston and Sandringham services.
Just have lunch here. Awesome food. So just got off work and I'm a bit drained right now. I'm just so tired today. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, still not that much people at work. Crappy lighting. I'm gonna talk there. He definitely needs money for a new Death Star. Yeah, I think Vader needs a new Death Star now. He's working so hard. On the train heading home now. Yeah. Okay, just finished work and I'm heading home now. Yeah, I didn't vlog much today. I'm exhausted. Good thing tomorrow's Friday. Last day of work. I don't know. Been trying to devise a regimen wherein I can stay healthy for this year. Every time I see food, I just want to eat food, so I don't know my plans. I have a lot of backlogs to finish. I have a lot of things to do. Hoping this year I can make them disappear, but like hopefully I can clear off my backlogs, clear off my slate. Should have done this last year, but I'm gonna give it another shot today. So yeah, let's see how it goes, man. I'm thinking of taking a day off on Monday, just that I can sleep, I can rest. Yeah. It's been a long December for me, so like, yeah. Anyway, I'm just near my place now. Just gonna go home, get something to eat. No, get inside the house and get something to eat. And I don't know what to do next. Rest. Yeah, it's been pretty tiring for me lately. Everything should be alright. Okay, so what I like about summer is that whenever I arrive home, it's still bright out here and I can just lounge here at the the living room, and there's ambient light that comes in from the I don't know, my mind's not working right now. I can't think. It just came from work. Anyway, yeah, never mind that. Just hey, what I like about summer is that the sun's still out when I arrive home, and in our living room there's ambient light that comes in, and it gives me a good light. It gives me a good light, and I can see the sky, and it's refreshing and everything else. Problem is, our, how do you call that, our balcony, there's a cover because there's house there, so there's no direct view outside. If we were living up front, we could have a direct view of the street, but here it's like you can see that's only the top part. Anyway, you don't understand what I'm talking about. Anyway, yeah, I just arrived home and I'm tired. I'm trying to cook rice there. Why did I have to tell you this? But anyway, I'm gonna talk right now about GorillaPod. So this was my setup when I had the 1DX. I had the GorillaPod Focus. I had this, I forgot the name, Sean gave me this ball head here, this Arca. And when I moved to Sony, I had this Arca bottom for my Arca grip for my A7 III, and it fits well here. So yeah, this is really a very good holder or handle. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, this is a very good handle and tripod for the 1DX. It's really strong. It's made of metal, and I've used this. If you can see closely, look at that. The rubber's like getting removed. So this was my setup. Then I just saw this video from Chris Howe that he downgraded his GorillaPod to the 3K Pro. So whenever I look online, the 3K and I don't know, was it the 5K? No, it was only the 3K. It's made of plastic. It's really not good when I carry a camera. I'm thinking it's gonna break, because these ones here, they get loose in time, and then when you try to use them, they slowly do this. So like these metal parts here, they, I don't know, they wear out in time, and then when you try to hold it up front, it's not good. It just goes down. So yeah, I like this setup because it's so sturdy. It's real good, and there are 3 legs that's supporting the camera, so it's really good. But the thing is, it's just been too big lately. Then I didn't want to use my A7 III because when I use this, it's too big, and plus this, it makes it heavy and it's not balanced. The 1DX was good because 1DX was the body was fully heavy, so whenever you do this, it's so solid here. As for the A7 III, you need to do some balancing because the lens is like heavy, and it's front heavy, and it's, yeah, the weight distribution is kind of weird compared to what I have with the 1DX. Now I'll show you. This is the focus. There's a smaller one with this, the 5K Pro, and this is the 3K. 3K is a bit smaller, but this one, the new one, is made up of metal, so it's really cool. It's really light. I got it in combo with this Arca head. The old head for the 3K was a weird head. This one here is made of metal, and it's Arca, as you can see, if you guys know what Arca is. So it also fits to the bottom of my A7 III. When you just slip it there, lock it. So it's not facing the right way. But yeah, it's really tiny, but it's really strong. As you can see, it's really good. It's really good. The weight distribution is good. The camera is a bit heavy, but the thing is, with this one, I feel that it's too strong. No, it's not too strong. It's strong enough to carry my camera, and yeah, it's a really good setup. So yeah, if you guys want to carry smaller gears, carry smaller cameras, you can use the GorillaPod 3K Pro. Choose the Pro because it's made of metal, and the 3K is made of plastic. It dies up in a while if you use it. Cracks, gets loose. It's like a worthless piece of junk. Sorry if people are hurt regarding that one. I really didn't like it. It was like a waste of money. This one here is made of metal. It can stand, but for the use that I'm using, for the purpose that I'm using it for, it's for vlogging, and when I hold it, it's firm enough. I love the small Arca ball head because it's sturdy. Oh, there's a scratch already. But yeah, I like this setup. and I recommend it. That's it. I was supposed to tell you one thing, but I forgot what it is. And that should be it. So here it is. And yeah, for that reason, I really like this small one. This one's for sale. I'm removing the head because I might need a ball head. I like the arc of ball head, but this one's for sale. If anybody of you are interested with this, mates rate, it's for sale. Yeah, so if I'm in the mood to carry a big camera with me, I carry this setup. I usually use this microphone because it's so tiny, but if I want good audio, I'm gonna use the Video Mic Pro Plus, which I'm using right now. So this will be my setup. This is my vlogging gear. But yeah, lately I've been using the RX 100 because I've left the RX 100 beside and I haven't been using it. I want to use it more. The last time I used it was when my sisters came in here. I was taking photos. I wasn't really vlogging that much, but yeah, I need to use it more. I'm using it now. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for now. I didn't really know what to tell you, but it's January 2, guys. Happy second day of the year. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I used this one also. The Sony tabletop tripod. So this is a Sony tabletop tripod, as you can see. So what's good about this tripod here is that, yeah, I've discussed this before. The foot, you can do this, and you can vlog using it this way, or you can just close it and have it that way. So the problem I have with this, let's try and get my camera. So the problem I have with this tripod, or this one, is that you can put your camera up here. It's pretty cool though. It's pretty sturdy, but the thing is, I just don't feel the balance. Like, I feel that it's top heavy, and this is small. You know, the small connection here makes me think it's flimsy, but it's good enough. And the good thing about this is you can just set it up right away, and it stands up. That's easy as that. And you can use it this way, and it's going to be longer, though I feel that the balance is really kind of weird and I'm not comfortable with it. So I really like this tabletop tripod to use for my camera when I'm vlogging, but the thing is, the weight hasn't been, the balance hasn't been impressing me, so that's why I moved to this new setup. I'm gonna get it again, hold on. So this setup, so as you can see, you compare it, there you go. So yeah, I prefer this one here, this mid-size, and just because of the 3 feet or the 3 legs, it's more sturdy to carry when you're carrying it this way. Yeah. Yeah. I still love using this though. If I'm going to use an A6500, A6400, A6600, A65 66 series 64, this is really good. Couple it with a 10 to 18 f4, which is very good for vlogging. This is very good. It's very tiny, you can put it in your bag, but if you're using the A7 III, I don't like the balance. I don't like the balance. Yeah. These vlogs are gonna be awkward for now, but the thing is, yeah, I'm pretty confident in the future it's gonna be better. It's really disorganized, but yeah, in the future it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be better. Yeah, I'm still planning to vlog tomorrow, but I don't know what I'm gonna upload. I'll see what I can do. In fact, I don't know what to do after this. Might upload this video. Should I upload this video? It's not comprehensive. It should be comprehensive. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, that's it. Till then, if this is the last video that I'm gonna make, see you tomorrow,